capacity. So let's get started. Kids, do you know what is capacity? Capacity is the maximum amount that something can contain. Here are a few containers. For each of these containers, will it hold the same amount of water? No. Each of these containers will hold different amounts of water. And the amount of water each of the containers can hold is its capacity. Now, which container can hold the maximum water? Yeah, red container can hold the maximum water. So we say red container has the maximum capacity among these containers. Now, which container can hold the least water among these? Green container is smallest, so it can hold the least amount of water. So, green container has the least capacity among all the containers. Now, kids, you know what is capacity. Now, let's learn the units for measuring capacity. Capacity is measured in L or ml, where L is symbol for liter and ml is symbol for milliliter. Kids, 1 liter equals 1,000 millimeters. Now let's see how much quantity is 1 milliliter. This small container can hold at most 1 milliliter of water. So its capacity is 1 milliliter. Now, let's learn how much quantity is 25 milliliters. This small container can hold at most 25 milliliters of water. So, its capacity is 25 milliliters. Now, let's learn how much quantity is 500 milliliters. Here, we have a container that can hold at most 500 milliliters of water. So its capacity is 500 milliliters. Now, let's learn how much quantity is 1 liter. Here, we have a jug. The exact amount of water this jug can contain is 1 liter. So its capacity is 1 liter. That is, it can contain 1 liter of water or any liquid. So kids, now you have a fair idea what is capacity and the units for measuring capacity. Now, let's move on to some questions. 1 liter is how many millimeters? It is 1,000 milliliters. 2 liter is how many milliliters? 1,000 milliliters plus 1,000 milliliters equals 2,000 milliliters. 3 liters is how many milliliters? It is 1,000 milliliters plus 1,000 milliliters plus 1,000 milliliters. That is 3,000 milliliters. Good. Now, 500 milliliters plus 500 milliliters makes how many liters? It is 1 liter. As 500 milliliters plus 500 milliliters is 1,000 milliliters. Now, 250 milliliters plus 250 milliliters plus 500 milliliters is how many liters? It is again 1 liter, as it adds up to 1,000 milliliters. Now, 3,000 milliliters is how many liters? It is 3 liters. Good. Here we have a jug whose capacity is 1 liter. And we also have a bucket whose capacity is 4 liters. Then, how many jugs are required to fill the bucket completely? 1 jug will contain 1 liter of water. So, 4 jugs will make 4 liters of water. So we need 4 jugs of water to completely fill the bucket. Let's move on to the next question. Capacity of 1 tumbler is 500 milliliters. And capacity of this jug is 1 liter. Then how many tumblers of water are required to fill this jug? 1 tumbler contains 500 milliliters. 2 tumblers will contain 500 milliliters plus 500 milliliters equals 1,000 milliliters, or 1 liter. So 2 tumblers of water are required to fill the jug. Now, let's move on to the next question. 1 jug holds 1 liter of water. We can pour 4 jugs of water in a bucket. Then, what is the capacity of the bucket? Let's solve this question. Capacity of the jug is 1 liter. And we can pour 4 jugs of water in the bucket. 4 jugs means 4 liters of water. So, capacity of the bucket is 4 liters. So, kids, today we learned what is capacity.
Oh.